Hello everyone, I am Bhushan and today we will explore how we can build a centralized data repository especially for marketing team using Apache Hive, one of the most popular data warehousing tool built for the big data. Let's jump into it. To begin with, what is data warehouse? Let's understand. A data warehouse is a centralized system that stores a structured data collected from the different sources, and it's optimized not for the transactional task but for the querying and analysis. So instead of storing individual order, it stores a summary, which is a perfect for reporting, trend analysis, and decision making. Why is this important? Because in organizations, especially marketing team, data is scattered everywhere. Email systems, CRMs, Google Analytics, ad platforms. A warehouse pulls it all together in a one places. Now, why do marketing team need a data warehouse? Let's take an example. Imagine you are running a campaign on a Facebook, Google Ads, and sending weekly email and then trying to analyze performance. Your data is split between the different platforms. With the centralized data warehouse, you can create unified reports across all the channels, understand customer journey better, and measures ROI accurately, and perform historical analysis on past campaign. It becomes a single record of truth, which is essential for the data-driven decision making in marketing. Now, let's understand how we build such a warehouse for a big data. One answer is Apache Hive. Hive is a data warehousing system built on top of Hadoop. It lets you query large datasets using SQL-like language called HiveQL. It works well with the data stored HDF5, the Hadoop distributed file system, and it translates your queries into the MapReduce job or taste job behind the scenes. So even if you have a terabytes of making a marketing data, Hive can help you to manage a query it easily using a familiar SQL. Let's look at the architecture of Hive in simplified way. First, you write a query using HiveQL, which is very similar to the SQL. This query go to the driver which manages execution. Then store the metadata like a table name, schema, and partitions. The execution engine convert your query into the job that runs on Hadoop. This setup allows you to run query on the massive dataset without worrying about how it's proceed in the background. It's a powerful, scalable, and built for a big data. Why Hive is a great choice for marketing data? Here are some benefits. It can handle massive dataset, even a terabytes of website logs or campaign history. It's accessible to marketer and analyze who know SQL, so no complex coding required. Hive scale easily with Hadoop as your data grows. Hive keeps up. And it also integrates with popular tools like a Tableau, Power BI, or Suppress for dashboarding. This means marketing team can run a query directly, build a dashboards, and generate insight in real time. Let's consider real world use case. Say you want to build a centralized repository for marketing. Here, how you can do it. Ingest the data from multiple sources like Google Ads, email campaign, and tool like a Mailchimp. Then CRM platforms like a Salesforce or HubSpot. Then load the data into the Hive tables, maybe partiated by campaign or time. Now run a queries like what was our email open rate in last quarter, which campaign drew the most sale, what was our cost per lead from the different channels. This setup helps to create a 360-degree view of marketing performance. And now it's time to summarize the things which we have seen. So what we have learned today. Data warehousing is essential for the centralizing data and making it useful. And Apache Hive is a powerful tool that runs on Hadoop and support SQL-based query. For marketing, Hive helps to bring together data from multiple platforms into one place. It supports scalable, efficient, and real-time analytics that help to improve decision and optimize campaign and drive growth. And here we will end. Thank you so much for joining this session. I hope you now have better understanding of Apache Hive fits into the data integration and warehousing strategy for marketing teams. And I am Bhushan. I'll see you in the next session. Until then, keep learning and keep innovating. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching the video. Our knowledge partners, certification alliances, and curriculum creators are. Join our popular courses and get an immersive learning experience as we proudly serve as a global trailblazing training solutions provider, dealing with grinding a revolution in upskilling by offering comprehensive and specialized training programs. Following are our services: instructor-led virtual training, on-site training, corporate training, exclusive and individual training, self-paced training, classroom training, customized training, campus training. To know more about our courses, visit our website. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video.